Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Like any new technology, AI is rife with buzzwords and AgenticRAG is one of them this week. In this video, I am going to explain in very easy words what is AgenticRAG. AgenticRAG is basically an effort of industry to extract value from AI. After all the AI hype, we have understood that there are two ways we can use AI for business purposes. First, to integrate existing applications with AI through agents. Secondly, to provide business data to LLMs for grounded context through retrieval augmented generation or RAG. And that is why we have this agentic RAG. So what happens here is, if you look at this diagram, that a user is asking a query in natural language such as English. Agentic application converts that natural language prompt or query to relevant function call with the help of language model. Then that app or application calls that function, which could be a database call, it could be a NoSQL call, it could be a web search, it could be an API call to Kubernetes ingress controller or any API endpoint. Then the application gets the data back, processes it with or without LLM depending upon the use case, and then gives it back to the user. That is what agentic RAG is. I hope that was clear enough. I also have done heaps of videos where I have shown you with different tools as how to implement agentic RAG both locally and through API based models. So please search the channel, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you.